In the eLibrary, every user gets a personal space to bookmark e-resources, organize them into different folders. In fact, there are many tools to help researchers and scholars to export citations and, of course, fellow peers in a very unique feature called SocioLib. Let's see how all that works. If you are browsing any resource, let's say ebooks in this example, and you found an ebook which you like and you mark it as one of your favorites, just click on this bookmark button and you will find a pre-existing folder called My Favorites, and you can save the document there. You can mark as many documents as your favorites as you like, and all your favorites, you can see them on the full page itself. I'll show it to you here.
Let's read about the cost there. The payment.
So on the home page, you will find all your favorite ebooks listed. Not just ebooks, you can save journals, you can bookmark video lectures as your favorites. Any document, any e-resource that is listed in the eLibrary and you found during browsing or searching, you can mark them as your favorites. Not just as your favorites, but let's say I perform a search, let's say I'm authoring a paper or my project on machine learning, I did a search and I particularly like this ebook and I don't want to search for it again and again. I can create a folder. I'm going to name this folder, let's say demo for TIET, and I'll save this particular ebook in that folder.
What was the next step?
And I'll go ahead and save a couple of theses and dissertations as well into the same folder. You can create as many folders as you want, and you can save as many documents into those folders as you like. All your documents, all your folders are available here, and this is the folder we just created, and these are the 2 documents we saved. Once you have saved these documents in the reading list, you can do a lot more. You can delete them by selecting them. You can also email the links of these 2 saved documents to your co-author, to your peer, to your friend in your class. Just add in the email address and a subject, and you can send the document. Please note that your friend, whosoever you are sending these links to, must be a part of TIET to access the links in that email. In fact, you can also export the citations of all your saved documents in more than 1,000 citation styles. So let's say I want to export the citation in APA 6th edition format. I just type in APA here, search for the format I want to use, and click on generate citation, and I can then copy these citations to my Word document wherever I'm authoring my paper or my project report or an ebook chapter. You will also find another function here called webhooks. Webhooks basically help you collate all your third-party web pages. So let's say I found a Wikipedia page on web. I can just copy the URL, paste it here, click on the Get Data button. The platform will fetch some relevant metadata from the page. We can add the author and source if it is not fetched by the platform, and you can save this web page here. You can bookmark it here. You can bookmark as many number of web pages as you want. All your saved searches sit here, and in fact, we also give you a glimpse of your entire reading history from your latest read document to the oldest one, so that you never miss out on your reading material. There's one more feature called SocioLib on the TIET eLibrary. Imagine this like Instagram, but for library content, wherein you can follow your friends and see what they are reading on the eLibrary. You can find your peers by searching for them by their name or email address and click on the follow button. As soon as you click on the follow button, you will be able to see what they are reading on the eLibrary, and it's just one more way for you to find content. On the SocioLib, you can also see your rank. This rank is calculated based on your reading activity, your searches, how much reading you are doing on the eLibrary. You can always get into private mode, but please note that if you don't want to share your reading activity and you switch on the private mode, then you also cannot see the reading activity of your peers. It's a two-way road. So these are some of the features on TIET eLibrary which help you organize your content, which help you share content with peers, with friends. And in the next tutorial, we will see how you can access TIET eLibrary on the go using TIET eLibrary mobile app.